Surprising health benefits of fenugreek seeds. Secret power of fenugreek seeds. Hello friends, today we are going to embark on a fascinating journey to uncover the hidden secrets of fenugreek seeds. Many of us are familiar with fenugreek seeds as a common ingredient in the subcontinent, especially in Indian cooking. But their benefits extend far beyond the culinary world. Let's delve into the captivating story of fenugreek seeds and their remarkable health benefits. Let's unveil the power of fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds have been widely used for their medicinal properties, particularly in the context of diabetes and overall health. But did you know that not all fenugreek seeds are the same? The various types of fenugreek seeds and their distinct properties play a crucial role in reaping their benefits. The science behind the medicinal properties of fenugreek seeds can be attributed to several key chemicals, including galactomannan, saponins, and 4-hydroxyisoleucine. These compounds are responsible for the various health benefits associated with fenugreek seeds, making them a valuable addition to one's diet. Unraveling the benefits. One of the most intriguing benefits of fenugreek seeds is their potential to aid in the management of diabetes. Research has shown that 4-hydroxyisoleucine, a compound found in fenugreek seeds, may help reduce insulin resistance, leading to a decrease in blood sugar levels. In fact, the effects of 20 to 25 grams of fenugreek seeds have been likened to those of the commonly prescribed diabetes medication, metformin. Beyond diabetes. In addition to their impact on diabetes, fenugreek seeds offer a myriad of other health benefits. From their high fiber content, which aids in reducing hunger, to their potential to enhance exercise endurance and protect the liver, the holistic advantages of fenugreek seeds are truly remarkable. A word of caution. While fenugreek seeds hold great promise in the realm of health and wellness, it's important to note that their effects may vary based on individual health conditions. For instance, their efficacy may be limited in advanced stages of diabetes. Therefore, it's essential to understand the right time and conditions for incorporating fenugreek seeds into one's regimen. The verdict in conclusion, the story of fenugreek seeds is a tale of hidden potential and multifaceted benefits. Whether you're seeking to manage diabetes, improve exercise performance, or safeguard your overall health, fenugreek seeds have much to offer. However, it's crucial to approach their use with a nuanced understanding of their effects and limitations. So, as we conclude our journey into the world of fenugreek seeds, we hope that you've gained a newfound appreciation for this extraordinary ingredient and the myriad ways it can contribute to a healthier, more vibrant life. Please wait. There are some more to say in brief, things for you to remember. Fenugreek seeds have been used for centuries for their medicinal properties, particularly in the context of diabetes and overall health. Further, we will explore the benefits and potential side effects of taking fenugreek seeds. Before we talk about the benefits of fenugreek seeds, let us take the potential side effects of fenugreek seeds. While fenugreek seeds offer many health benefits, they may also have potential side effects, including 1. Digestive issues, diarrhea, stomach upset, bloating, and gas are commonly reported side effects. 2. Allergic reactions. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions, especially if they are allergic to other plants in the Fabaceae family, such as soybeans and peanuts. 3. Unusual body odor. A strange and slightly sweet body odor has been reported by some people when supplementing with fenugreek seeds. 4. Blood sugar effects. Fenugreek might lower blood sugar, so it should be used with caution, especially if you are taking diabetes medication or other supplements that affect blood sugar. 5. Other rare effects. Rare side effects may include dizziness, headaches, and in some cases, liver toxicity has been reported, but fenugreek seeds offer a myriad of health benefits, including 1. Diabetes management. Fenugreek seeds may help reduce insulin resistance, leading to a decrease in blood sugar levels. Research has shown that 20 to 25 grams of fenugreek seeds have effects similar to those of the commonly prescribed diabetes medication, metformin. 2. Exercise performance. Fenugreek seeds have been shown to enhance exercise endurance by increasing glycogen production in the muscles. 3. Liver protection. Fenugreek seeds may have a protective effect on the liver, preventing hepatic steatosis. 4. Hormonal modulation. Fenugreek seeds have a hormonal modulatory effect, which may help alleviate symptoms of menopause and increase testosterone levels in men. 5. High fiber content. Fenugreek seeds are high in fiber, which aids in reducing hunger. It's important to use fenugreek seeds cautiously and consult a healthcare professional before starting a new supplement, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. In conclusion, fenugreek seeds offer a wealth of health benefits, but it's important to approach their use with a nuanced understanding of their effects and limitations. By doing so, you can reap the many benefits of this remarkable ingredient while minimizing the potential for side effects.